Right, all my wood in order. Let's get on with it. Right. This bit here is going to go over here. Act as part of the seat. There we now. Raining. We're getting there. Genius. Just got to get rid of these now. Right, let's see if this works. Look, I made a little secret hidden compartment. Look. How cool is that? For wallets, money, passports. Cool. I don't know if I like this wall or this wall most. I need to decide that soon. Probably that one, to be honest. But the frame is absolutely solid. That fits in nicely. Just there. Even got a little secret compartment there to hide wallets and things. I'm going to put a bit of the nice mirror wood on here. So it only needs to be a foot big, but like a live edge bit of wood on the top of here, and then I've just got to work out what the covers are going to be. So yeah, just whipped up a quick curry and then back out to it. This one here, I think I'm just going to put some blocks on underneath so then I can lift this up all at once. So I've just marked where I need pieces of wood to go, just so it sits on there flush. Okay, a couple more. Alright, let's see if this fits. There we go. Two little hidden compartments. And then this here will just come off. Not too sure what to do about this bit here yet. But yeah, I'm going to put these handles on there because the handles have arrived. There we go. Beautiful. Hope I don't wipe my ankles on them. That should be right. Another late night. All done. Time for a coffee. So before I stop for the night, I want to paint this. I'm going to give it a coat of the stuff I put on the mirrors and just see how it looks tomorrow. It might look better, it might look rubbish. But I'll give it a go, and if it looks good I can paint the stuff in the van. Let's see how it comes out. There we go. So that's what it's usually like. And yeah, we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Oh, so upset, so disappointed. I need some wood to finish off the build, and the wood place that I usually go to is shut down. They haven't shut down, but they've relocated. So instead of being 20 minutes up the road, 15 minutes up the road, they're now about an hour away. So if I want to go and pick some wood up, it's going to be a 2-hour round trip, and you can forget about that in the summer. So yeah, it's a bit frustrating, but hey ho, just on there now to go and have a look. I'm taking the van because I obviously can't go backwards and forwards because it's so far away now, and hopefully get something suitable. Sad times, but good times for them because they must be expanding. Selfish. Right, it's like we're going on a long road trip in it, so we better fill up. Right. Oh, this is so far away. And 2026 was going so good as well. Oh. we know. Yellow Bridge. Sure I got that right. Oh, this is such a good song. Right, only a few minutes away now. There's a lot of farms around here. This is where the postcodes brought me, so 1 minute to go.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Will it though? Will it? Oh, what's that sign? It's a brewery. It's not a brewery, that's for sure. What was the... Oh, hold on. There he is, I think. Is that his van? Yeah, that's his van there. Okay. That's his car. Yeah, there he is. Let's go have a nosy. Bloody hell. It's big, isn't it?
Sorry? Better than the last one.
I got this bit for the worktop. It's not massively live edgy, but all down the middle you've got the knots going all the way down, so I think that'll look nice. And then these are only a tenner each, so I thought, why not? Oh look, welcome to Cornwall. I was in Devon then. How weird. I think we're going to have some rain by the looks of it. Oh, can't see it now because the bush is in the way. Oh, hold on, there's a gap. Oh, yep, see it. Yep, thought so. Yeah, this is the right pain now. I left at 10 o'clock, an hour there, an hour in the shop, and an hour back. So I'm getting back at 1. So annoying, but hey ho. Yeah, that's not fun anymore. Foam's arrived. Jeez. There we go. My future bed. These two are perfect. I don't know what I was doing with this one. That should only be to there. I wonder how I got that so wrong. Alright, let's start with these two. I've got to remember how I do this. Never used this stuff before. I'm going to staple it as well though. But yeah. Right, let's see how that looks. That's right, actually. I absolutely love it. I think it looks amazing. I think probably this behind it, but we'll try it in a minute. I can't believe I got that so wrong. Now how the flipping heck am I going to cut this? I'm going to give it a go with just scissors and see what happens. I can't think of how else I can do it really. Yeah, that's working right. Wood in the window. Right, let's get sand in. Try and start sanding before it rains. If I do it over here. Yeah, that's come out really nice. Just going to go and oil it now, and then I've got to cut it to size. I want to oil it first to see which bit I like. Alright, let's see how this beauty comes out. I love this bit. There we go. That's going to look so nice. Yay. I don't think I'm going to even need to cut this. I was going to cut it flat at the back, but it's already really flat there. So I don't think I'm going to have to actually risk cutting a straight edge on it, because it already is pretty blue and straight. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Just got to go and cut it, and then I'll sand it again and give it another coating of oil, and then it'll be ready. So we've got 186 we've got to chop this to. I want to cut out that bit there. So if we start there, 186. Let's see how far that takes us. Actually, we could start it at the end, couldn't we? Just sand this away. So this is going to be the worktop, this part here. There we go. Just got to sand this back down again. And yeah, I think that looks nice. Oh, it's tricky. I don't know what colour. Right, let's finish it off. Then give it another coat of oil. There we go. Just got to wait for a day or two, and then I can fit it. Yeah, it's all done. Yay! All nicely rounded off. Oh, you can just about see the line there, can't you, where I had to put another piece. It's not too bad at all. I've cut this piece down here, so then you can open it just easier, like that. So then you don't have to move this up out of the way, and you've just got your space there. Finally finish it off now. Get this wall done. And that bit there. There's the first bit down. That was quite hard choosing what colour to put down, but I think in the end the grey did look better against the wood. It made it stand out more, so that's the one that I went with. There we go, 99% finished. All I got to do now is get a couple of cushions for the back, and I've got to sort this out. I think I'm just going to get some baskets to put in there, so then you can pull the baskets out maybe, and decide what to do with that bit. I'll probably cover that over actually and put a bit of this carpet on there. So but yeah, that's how I was looking. Good, isn't it?